Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to run an A/B test on a page in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools and features. After you've logged in and your dashboard has loaded, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with several options listed. From this menu, click on Content. This section is where you manage all your web pages, blog posts, and other content assets within HubSpot. Once you're in the content area, you'll notice different content types available. You can choose between website pages or landing pages depending on what you want to test. For this tutorial, let's click on Website Pages. This is where all your standard site pages are stored and managed, making it the perfect place to set up your A/B test. Now you'll see a list of all your website pages. Browse through the list and click on the specific page you want to run an A/B test on. This will open the page editor where you can make changes and access additional page settings. Make sure you select a page that gets enough traffic for meaningful test results. With your page open, look over to the left side of the screen again. You'll notice several icons representing different tools and options. Click on the test icon. This icon is specifically designed for setting up experiments and A/B tests on your pages, giving you access to HubSpot's testing features. After clicking the test icon, a menu will appear with testing options. From this menu, click on A/B test. This is the option that allows you to create variations of your page and compare their performance against each other. It's a powerful way to optimize your content based on real visitor behavior. Next, you'll be prompted to give a name for each variation. This is an important step because clear naming helps you identify and track which version is which during the test. Enter descriptive names that make sense to you and your team, such as original version, an updated headline, or something similar that clearly distinguishes between the variations. Once you've named your variations, HubSpot will automatically start running the A/B test. The system will begin splitting your traffic between the different versions, collecting data on how each one performs. You can monitor the results in your HubSpot analytics to see which variation drives better engagement, conversions, or whatever metric matters most to you. And that's it. You've successfully set up an A/B test on your HubSpot page, and now you can make data-driven decisions to improve your content performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.